Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall AutoHotkey scripts safely on Windows, beginner guide step by step clearly. To safely uninstall AutoHotkey scripts on Windows, start by locating the AutoHotkey icon in the system tray. Right-click on the AutoHotkey icon. Select Exit from the context menu to stop any running scripts. Open File Explorer by pressing Windows key plus E. Navigate to the folder where your AutoHotkey scripts are stored. By default, this is often in the Documents folder or a custom directory you created. If you are unsure where your scripts are, look for .awk files. Once you find the folder, review the scripts you wish to uninstall. Select the script file you want to remove. Press the Delete key on your keyboard or right-click and choose Delete. Confirm the deletion if prompted, ensuring you want to remove the file. If you've set up any scripts to run at startup, you may want to remove them from the Startup folder. To do this, press Windows key plus or to open the Run dialog. Type Shell Startup and hit Enter to access the Startup folder. Locate the AutoHotkey script shortcuts within this folder. Delete any unwanted script shortcuts by right-clicking them and selecting Delete. Lastly, if you want to ensure no remnants are left, check the AutoHotkey installation directory. Typically, this is found in the Program Files or Program Files, x86, folder. Remove any additional script files or folders you no longer need. By following these steps, you can safely uninstall AutoHotkey scripts from your Windows system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.